I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Spotify account you're using and where it's currently registered. This matters because region affects catalogs and payment. Once signed in, go straight to account settings. Make sure your connected payment method matches the country you want. If you're traveling, prepare a local IP or temporary payment option. Initiate the change now so Spotify can detect the new region. This avoids catalog mismatches and subscription interruptions as you proceed to the next steps. Now update the country field in your profile, go to account settings on the web, choose Edit Profile, and pick the correct country from the country or region dropdown. You must then set a payment method valid in that country. Spotify uses this to verify residency and to bill in the correct currency. After entering payment details, save and log out on other devices. Once done, clear cache or restart the app so the app refreshes catalog and regional permissions. Finish by restarting the app and checking that your library, playlists, and pricing reflect the new country. This confirms the update applied. If Spotify prevents the change, make sure no VPN is active, your payment method matches the selected country, and you meet residency or subscription rules. If problems persist, gather screenshots of errors, payment receipts, and ID or address proof. Then contact Spotify support. That evidence speeds resolution and get.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.